see some problem based on ideal gas equations. So here the problem is calculate the percentage of free volume of available in 1 mole of gaseous water, 1 atmospheric pressure and 100 degrees centigrade. Density of liquid water at 100 degrees centigrade is 0.958 gram per centimeter cubes. So here percent of free volume we have to find out of water. Free volume water means we do not contain water. Now you can use the formula of PV equal to nRT. So PV equal to N into RT. So we can see here, so pressure is given 1, so volume we need to find out. This is equal to and moles is equal to 1. So 1 into 0.0821 multiplied by temperature is 373. So here we will get volume, that is 30.02 liter. Okay, now if we have to find out volume of 1 mole of water at 100 degrees centigrade. So at 100 centigrade, what is the volume of 1 mole of water occupying? So volume 1 mole of water means 18 gram they are occupying, and the density is 0.958 gram. So on dividing we will get here 18.79 ml. So this is the volume of water which is occupying by the mole at 100 degree centigrade. Okay, so again, so this will convert it 18.79 into 10 power minus 3 liter. So this is the in terms of liter. If you consider the density. Now percentage of volume occupied by, because we have to find out in gaseous state, occupied by water in gaseous state. So how much will be volume? So percent of water, so this is the water, 18.79 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, at 1 atmospheric pressure total waters, and total volume is 30.02. Okay, so this is the total volume. Okay, this is the gaseous state volume. So if you divide it, so you will get here. So how much you will get here? So this is you have to multiply by 100 also. Okay, so on multiplying 100, so you will get here 0.0614%. Okay, so percentage of free volume will be 100 minus 0.0614. So answer will get 99.43%. So this is the free volume of the water, in which water do not contain. This is the water contains in the vapor state. This is the free volume where water is not available. Five liter of water is placed in a closed room of volume of 2.45 into 4 liters, having temperature 300 Kelvin. If the vapor pressure of water is 27 millimeter and the density is 0.99 gram per centimeter cube at this temperature, how much water is left in the liquid state? So this means water is placed in the closed room. So room they have given volume, temperature given, and vapor pressure of water given, and their density is also given. Okay, so first we have to find out how many moles of water is there. So moles of water is very simple. So PV is equal to N into R into T. Okay, so here moles is equal to how much it will be here? So P into V by R into T. So pressure we have, so pressure is again given here 27 millimeters, so 27 by 760. Okay, and volume is given here 2.5 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, and RT, so RT is 0.0821 multiplied by 300. If you solve it, here you will get N equal to 36. Okay, now volume of water evaporated. How much evaporated? So we can write here mass of water vapor. Okay, and divide by density of vapor. So we will get here volume of water evaporated, density of vapor. So on solving, mass of vapor is how much? So 18 into, if you solve 36 into 18, so that is answers, and divided by 0.99. So here you will get here 656 around 656 ml around. Okay, so this will be your, so this will be in on solving, this is ml again 99 gram per centimeter, ml given. So we can convert it to liters. So liter will be your 0.656 liters, something like that. Now volume of water left. How much volume water left? So we can subtract 5 minus 0.656. All solving, we will get here 4.34 liter. So this much of volume of water left in liquid state. Okay, so this is our basically answers. Now, how much water is contained in a cubic room of 4 meter along an edge if the relative humidity is 50% and the temperature 27 degrees centigrade? The vapor pressure of water at 27 degrees centigrade is 26.7 torr. The relative humidity expresses the partial pressure of water as a percent of water vapor pressure. Now here they have given relative humidity 50% and the vapor pressure of water 27 degrees centigrade 26.7 torr. So from here partial pressure of water is, so partial pressure of water will be 50%. 50% of what? Total pressure is 26.7 torr. So this you will get 13.4 torr. And volume. So volume of here water is how much given? Volume of room. So here volume of room is given here 4 cube. 4 cube means 64 meter cube, or you can say 64 into 10 to the power 3 liter. Why 3 liter? Because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So this is our total liters. Now we can use the PV equal to nRT. So PV equal to N into R into T. So pressure is how much? So pressure is 13.4. This is torr. So we divide by 760 and multiplied by volume of air. Room is this much. So this is the volume of air, pressure air, and we have to find out moles of water. So moles of water is N and multiplied by 8021, and this is the temperature. So on supplying, on getting, you will get here water is how much? 45.8 moles. This is the moles of water occupying. So what is the mass of water? So mass of water will be 45.8 multiplied by 18. So you will get here 824.4 grams. So this is our basic answer. So now we'll see the next problem. A man weighs 72.15 kilogram want to fly in the sky with the aid of balloon itself, weighing 20 kilogram, and each containing 50 moles of hydrogen gas at 0.05 atmosphere and 27 degrees centigrade. If the density of air at the given condition is 1.25 gram per liter. So this is the density of air. So how many such type of balloons he will needed to fly in the sky? So this is the weight given, and weight of the balloon is also 20 kilogram. Each here also this also condition is given, 50 moles of hydrogen gas, and this pressure and this temperature. Okay, so first we need to find out every case volume of each balloon. So mass of the balloon. So mass of the hydrogen gas in balloon. See here, mass of hydrogen gas in balloon will be how much? So this will be your 50 into 2 grams. So 50 is the moles. So total we know this one. This is the molar mass. This is the molar mass. So we will get total balloon. Now the next is, this is the first point. Second point, volume of each balloon filled with hydrogen. So volume filled with hydrogen will be nRT by P. So N is how much? So N is 50. So 50 moles is given. So R is 0.0821 multiplied by 300 and divided by 0.05. This is the pressure is given, 0.05 atmosphere pressure. So on solving, we will get here 20.6 into 10 to the power 3 liter. So this is nothing but the volume of displaced air. Okay, this is given. Now mass of displaced air. Mass of displaced air will be 24.6 into 10 power 3, and again they have given the density is at 1.25. So this will be your total 30.75 into 10 power 3 grams. So this is the mass of displaced air. Now question is, now n number of balloons are used by, you can see here, now n number of balloons are used by man for flying in air. Okay, so therefore mass of total displaced air will be how much? Mass of man plus mass of balloon plus weight of hydrogen. Okay, so this is the total mass of balloon. This is given here. We have to find mass. So mass of man is given here. How much? So we can see here total. This is the n. So n number is given here. So we can write here mass of total displaced air. So 30.75 into 10 power 3 into n. So this is the total mass of n, and mass of man is here 72.15 into 10 power 3. Mass of balloon 20 into 10 to power 3 plus mass of balloon we have already calculated. So we will get here answer. So here n equal to 3. So we require 3 balloon so that he will be fly in the sky. Now next is the pressure exerted by 12 gram of ideal gas. Pressure exerted by 12 gram of ideal gas at temperature T degree centigrade in a vessel of V at 1 atmospheric pressure. When the temperature increased by 10 degree at the same volume, the pressure increases by 10%. Calculate the temperature T and volume V. So pressure exerted 12 gram already given here. Gas weight of the gas is 12 gram. So here we will take two cases. One case is this one, pressure P1 atmospheric pressure. Second case is the when pressure increased by the 10%. So you take here case. So case 1. Okay, so case 1, what is pressure 1? So the pressure is 1 atmosphere. So 1 into volume V we have to find out. 12 by molar mass, and temperature is R. So this is where T plus 273 Kelvin. First case number 1. Now case 2. So again pressure increased by 10%. 10% means pressure will be 1 plus 10 by 100. Okay, this will be 1.1 atm. So second case 1.1 into V, volume is same only, 12 by molar mass, and again R into T plus 283 Kelvin. So okay, so in this way if we solve it, so we will get here. So two things are there. So we will cancel. So dividing what? 1 by 2. So you will get here 1 by 1.1 if you divide it. So here you will get here T plus 273 divided by T plus 283. So we will get here temperature. So temperature on solving minus 173 degrees centigrade, or it will be your 100 Kelvin. Now you can find the volume, temperature. So what is the pressure? So pressure will be no. So 1 into V will be 12 by 120, and again if you multiply it with 0.0821 into 100. So here volume will be 0.82 liter. So we got volume also, we got temperature. So this is our answer.